cartoon bird look like?
Cartoony.
Prompt.
It was a giant bird.
Yeah,
right?
it's a giant bird,
Yeah.
I think.
Very cute. I like it.
I was having a hard time trying to figure out what to do with the fire. I was gonna do this.
I like it. Let's see the other one again.
Oh my goodness.
That looks cute.
Yeah, I like both of them.
I love that. He's hitting him with his tail.
He's trying to get him. He's trying to eat him. He's
Yeah.
a bird. And he has a black belt, so.
That's hilarious. I was wondering what that was. I love that. I love that.
I love that too.
I really don't like the line work on the worm.
Yeah.
That was really fun. I like this one.
I like that a lot.
I didn't know how to make a wah face.
And look, he has a hua face.
I like his mane too. It looks really cute. Kind of looks like half of an apple core.
What?
Half of an apple core. Like when you eat the apple,
Yeah.
and the top and bottom part are still round, like they're still there.
Oh,
If
he
you were to cut it in
does.
half. It's cute though. I still like it. Yeah.
Is that like blood?
That's his tongue.
Okay,
He's
I was
saying-
gonna
he's like,
say.
Like,
Yeah.
like he's like.
Yeah, I was
punching
gonna
him.
say if that's blood, I don't know about that.